This is a thermochemistry problem about heat capacity on page 277, number 49 of the Zumdahl 8th edition textbook. The problem refers us to table 6.1, so I have put a few values from that table right here, and the question says, which substance requires the largest amount of energy to raise the temperature of 25.0 grams of the substance from 15.0 degrees C to 37.0 degrees C. So the largest amount of energy is going to be from the substance with the largest heat capacity. The units of our heat capacity are joules per gram degrees C. So if we consider these three substances, and we consider a 1 gram sample of each, and we want to raise the temperature 1 degree, say from 25 degrees C to 26 degrees C, it's going to take 4.18 joules to raise 1 gram of water by 1 degree C, but only 0.14 grams of heat to raise the temperature of liquid mercury by 1 degree C. So the answer to our question is the water. It has the largest heat capacity of the three substances, and all the substances in table 6.1. Calculate the energy. So to calculate the energy, we use our equation Q equals mc delta T. And remember that whenever we have a delta, delta T is the final temperature minus the initial temperature. So Q equals, our mass is 25.0 grams, our heat capacity 4.18 joules per gram degrees C, and then our delta T, our final temperature, 37.0 degrees C minus the initial of 15.0 degrees C. So our units cancel, grams cancels grams, degrees C cancels degrees C, our unit is in grams. And we can see that for having 25 and our delta T the same, the larger the C, the larger the Q. Q and C are directly proportional when M and delta T stay the same. So the larger the C, the larger the Q. We do that calculation out, and we get 25 times 4.18 times, the difference there is 22 degrees C, and our calculator gives us 2299 joules. Now we need three significant figures, so I'm going to put this in kilojoules, so 2.30 kilojoules is our answer. And the second part of the problem, it says which substance has the largest temperature change when 550 grams of the substance absorbs 10.7 kilojoules of energy. Calculate the temperature change. So now the substance with the least heat capacity is the substance that's going to have the largest temperature change. So that would be liquid mercury at 0.14. So our answer here is Hg. And we're still going to use our equation Q equals mc delta T. Our heat capacity of mercury, 0.14 joules per gram degrees C. Our heat that we're given is in kilojoules. Our heat capacity is in joules, so we have to make sure that we convert one of these so that our units are the same. So I think I will convert our kilojoules to joules. So our heat then is 10,700 joules equals the mass, 550 decimal point grams, times our heat capacity, 0.14 joules per gram degrees C, times our delta T, and that is what we are looking for, times delta T. Solve for delta T, and we get 10,700 divided by 550 divided by 0.14 equals, and we get 139 degrees C. So that is our temperature change.